In Creo Parametric 12, style has been enhanced to now support replace reference and edit reference functionality. For style users, this has been a long-standing enhancement request to help reduce the time spent on manually rerouting curves and surfaces when changes need to be made. The edit reference and replace functionality includes UI and workflows, which are similar to capabilities available in core Creo, but including adjustments to support the style's unique requirements. Let me define the differences between these functions. Edit references allows the user to edit or replace the references for a given feature, whereas replace references will allow the user to replace the parent references in a feature. Let's walk through a few examples to show this new enhancement. On the screen is a simple surface model. Editing the style feature will showcase the new replace reference and edit reference functionality. Starting with replace reference, let's select the top curve of the surface. Once selected, you can choose the operations pull-down menu and select replace reference. The replace reference dialog will be displayed. In the dialog, you'll see the original references and the children features leveraging those references. Now we can choose a new curve we would like to replace. To see the updates happen dynamically, we can easily check the dynamic preview. Now we could see the new surface update with the replaced reference. For the edit reference, let's choose a set of features, surfaces, and curves. Once selected, we can choose the edit reference feature from the right mouse button. The edit reference dialog will once again appear and show all the original references of the selected features. We can now select the various references and choose the updated references we'd like to swap to. Updating a number of references, you can see the surface update successfully. So that was a simple example. Let's now look at something more complex. On the screen is a yacht assembly, where we'll be modifying the hull shape that was created with style. Editing the style feature, we can immediately see that it contains many features, with many referencing the profile curves, which we'll be updating. Selecting the set of features, we can start to edit the references. Choosing the relevant references from the list, we can easily select the new desired reference features. With each reference, we can also view the children features leveraging that reference. Once complete, the style feature has been updated successfully and displayed on the screen. This enhancement will drastically improve your ability to rework your style models. It'll allow you to save time and effort when remodeling or making complicated changes when compared to previous releases.